Hello friends, this is Sumita Gupta, Assistant Professor, KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research, Thane. Um, this is Skill Lab Python Programming. This is Scheme C, Branch Electronics and Telecommunication, Mumbai University. Okay, so basically the subject is Skill Lab Python Programming. These are the outlines, brief introduction of syllabus, course prerequisite, course objective, outcome, reference book, soft tools and repository. Now, there are 6 modules. Module 1 is Introduction to Python. Introduction to Python means Python is basically a programming. For programming, what you have to learn? First of all, you should learn how to install it. What are the resources? Once you will install the Python, then you have to learn the syntax sequentially. Means first you should learn the identifiers. What are different keywords? What are different commands, different comments, how to indent, how to write one line comments, two line comments, what are different variables. Once variables done, then how many types of data types are there. Once data types are clear, then operation, arithmetic means all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison means greater than, less than, logical means logical and operation, logical or operation, bitwise zero, bitwise ending, bitwise oring. So then print command. So first module is related to basics, means just like in C language, C++. So what you learn first? First, all types of identifiers, variables, data types, operations. Okay, then string, list, tuples, dictionary, set. There is basic minor difference in all. So what are those difference? How to create tuples? There's different syntax for list, different syntax for tuples. So you will learn then loops, if and else statement, nested if, while loop, do while. So module 1 is related to basics. Okay, similar like in C we learn. So module 1 related to basics for Python. Once basics are clear, then you will learn the functions. Functions, there's some built-in function. Okay, library functions, calling function, how to call particular function, return function, passing function, files operations, IO operations, read operation, write operations. So how to move the file, how to create the module. So module 2 is related to the functions. Module 1 basics and module 2 functions. Once functions are cleared, then classes. See, first was basics, just to have the knowledge of variables, knowledge of operation. Second was, once basic operations are clear, then you can create the functions. Once functions are created, then you can create the class. Okay, so here you will learn the different classes, objects, then how to declare the classes, how to object, how object will be created, intricacies of classes, object inheritance. So these you will learn in the module 3, all the functions, classes. After classes, then there will be GUI, graphical user interface. So interfacing part will be here. Okay, so basic image processing using OpenCV library, simple image processing. So this is related to image processing. Okay, then NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scabby, these are different libraries. So once functions are clear, classes is done, then you will learn the different types of library. Like NumPy is for numerical Python, Pandas for different functions, Matplotlib means for plotting purpose. So there are different purpose of these libraries. So what is the role of this library and how to use these libraries, you will learn in this module. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Okay. Uh, then module 6 is applications. Once everything is done, then you can design any application in Python programming. Means any machine learning application like regression, logistic regression, linear regression. Okay, vector machine. So this is related to Python application. So what is summary in module 1 is basics, variables, identifiers, loops. Module 2 function. Module 3 classes. Okay, then module 4 is interfacing, then module 5 is libraries, and module 6 is Python application. Okay, So prerequisite subjects you have learned the previous semester, skill lab, or you will have the knowledge of C, C++, Java programming. Objective is just to understand the syntax properly, semantics of the Pythons properly. You can understand all the functions, you can handle the files, you can learn the programming well, you can do interfacing, and you can learn the libraries very well, and you can develop any application related to it. Course outcome, after successful completion of this course, what you can learn, you can describe any syntax, you can describe any program in Python, you can describe different operations, file handling operation, you can interpret any programming in Python, you can design application. Okay, you can develop any application, proficiency in the handling Python libraries, you can develop any application related to machine learning. So these are the outcomes. Okay, now these are different books, Yashwant Kanetkar, Dusty Phillips. So these are different books. You can have, you can take a screenshot, you can search. Okay, this is the main part, software tool. So in Google, you have to type http www.python.org to downloads, and then your Python will be installed in your laptop. Okay, it will ask for a Windows 7 or Windows 10. Then according to your laptop configuration, you can download it. This is Anaconda environment. This is online repository, GitHub, Python. This is documentation. All tutorials will be here. You can download it for your practice. This is spoken tutorials. This is library documentation. This is NumPy library documentation. This is Pandas library documentation. This is Matplot library documentation. This is SkyPy documentation. This is machine learning application documentation. So everything is there. In fact, NPTEL course is also there. So just take a screenshot and just press these links in the Google, then you will have all the PDFs. Okay. So with this, thank you so much. We'll meet in next lecture. God bless you. Thank you.